Hey folks, it's Karl here, your local RE/MAX GoldFella. Here to keep you posted that in the month of February 2021, the record home sales are continuing. The low interest rates are driving buyers to take advantage of the opportunity, and for the most part, the attention is still focused on the suburbs surrounding Toronto. At almost 11,000 sales last month, that's 52% more than February 2020, the Toronto Real Estate Board continues to see transaction climb as the overwhelming demand through 2020 continues into the first quarter of 2021. An evident problem is presented as new listings are helpless to keep up with the overwhelming demand. This is a problem that will be magnified as vaccines start to get more widely spread and we begin to resume our standard population growth trends. Toronto's home price index and average selling price both reported just under a 15% increase since last February. Now that's Toronto as a whole. This is led by suburban segments around the GTA, which saw more than 20% growth in all segments other than condo apartments. As an average, detached homes around the GTA are up 27.8% year over year. Now this trend has been spearheaded by the increase in demand for cottage country homes. As we mentioned, folks in the city are undergoing a mass exodus to move from the downtown core to the cities surrounding Toronto that offer much more space and appeal to their lifestyle. Now one of the cities gathering the most attention in particular is Innisfil, up to the north, a suburb outside of Barrie, which saw a 38% price increase year over year. Close contender is Cambridge to the west, that saw a 36% increase, 35% increase in Simcoe County to the north, and almost 30% higher for Durham to the east. Once again, we are seeing a little bit of a shift towards the end of the month. Cities like Hamilton and Niagara are starting to see their demand start to level out with the number of listings that are coming on the market. As the market in these areas starts to show signs of fatigue and stabilization, we'll be looking forward to seeing how things play out during the rest of March. As you know, it's going to be marking 1 year since the beginning of lockdowns in Ontario. Interestingly enough, Cambridge condos saw an uptick of almost 60% year over year for the condo market. Now as a contrast, the Toronto condo market declined about 6% as a whole. Considering 500,000 in Toronto can get you about 3 times as much space in Cambridge, it starts to seem like people are starting to find the appeal of this kind of more spacious lifestyle since, well, they don't have to go into work all the time anymore. Met by population growth from immigration, we probably won't see this trend start to cool off until interest rates start to shift, which a central bank has committed to keeping low until about 2023. If you've had it in your mind to find out more but don't know where to start, message me anytime and we can lay out where you are, where you need to go, and what you need to do. Talk soon, folks. Don't forget to follow the GoldFellas group on social media to stay up to date on the trends in this nation-defining market.